In this video, I will share with you how to create a password protected page in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder. Before creating my password protected page, let's give this website a visit. Now to add a page here that is password protected, simply go back to the website builder and go to pages and navigation. Now click on this add page button. In my case, I will add my new page using Hostinger AI. So click on generate page. Here I will describe my page, and this is my page description. I want to create a team access page that should welcome internal team members and give them access to important links and resources. Include a simple welcome message, a list of quick access links like project tracker, content calendar, and brand guidelines. Login shortcuts to tools like Notion, Canva, and Hostinger, and a short update note at the bottom. The design should be minimal, modern, and mobile friendly. Keep the tone professional but friendly. As you see, great description. And you can also see examples of page descriptions that Hostinger recommends. And after that, click on this create page button. And this is the page I got. Team access hub, team access, quick links, login shortcuts, team access hub. So this is a good page that I can edit myself. Now to password protect this page, or before that, let's click on update website to publish this website or to publish this page. And as you see, this is my team page, team access hub. I can access it without a password. Now let's go back to Hostinger website builder, and to password protect this page, simply go to pages and navigation, and next to the page you want to password protect, click on these three dots and select password. Now check this box next to enable password, and as you see, by enabling password you limit access to this page by setting a password. This doesn't guarantee your information is fully secure, so be aware of this. Now fill in your password. In my case, I will go with a simple password, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see it here. And for this password login page, you can select designs like this. I will zoom in. This is the first design, the second one, the third one. Go with setting your page or setting your exact text, or yes, page copy here. First, I will select the first design, click on save. Now don't forget to update your website, and let's view my website live. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders, and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And let's view my website live. Now, if I click on this team page, my website asks me for my password. I will fill it and hit enter. And just like that, this page is password protected. Now let's check the second login page design, go back to pages, three dots, password, and here you can select, or instead of, let's use this third design, go to theme, and this is the third login page design. Now I will set my own click on password. Now I will set my own text. This is my heading, and this is my subheading. Enter password. This is the button text, and for the footer I will use don't have the password, contact us at ben@bentutorial.com or return to the home page. Now click on this save button, update your website, and let's view my new page. It keeps using the selected page design and uses your own text here for the title, the subtitle, the placeholder text, the button, and the footer. Unfortunately, my footer text didn't show up completely, so my email is not completed here. So I will re-edit this text. And also, I think you can select another page other than this home page. Let's go back, three dots, password, go to the text, and here, no, you can select another page different than the home page. So here I will, for my so this is my footer text. You will see it live. View my website, go to the theme page. So this is my new footer text. For help, contact me at this email or return to home. So this is how to edit your login page text. Now let's see how to make this password protected more secure or more protected. So the first thing you need to do is, instead of password protecting an already existing page that may be crawled by Google Index or some archiving tools like archive.org, I recommend you to create a new page, then directly password protected. This way, web crawlers cannot crawl your password protected page and show or archive its content. I hope this is clear for you. And I think that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.